Yeah, so let's begin today's webinar. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to today's webinar, Maximizing E-commerce Growth NetSuite SuiteCommerce, from design to ERP integration. Thank you for taking the time to join us. I hope my presentation is visible and my audio is clear. My name is Alan Raju, and I'll be your presenter for today. I work as the lead solution engineer at Jobin and Jismi. We specialize in delivering tailored NetSuite and SuiteCommerce implementation, integrations, and customization across industries. Joining with me today are my experts from SuiteCommerce team, Anju Babu, who is a project manager, and Anik Babu, who is a solution architect. They will be assisting during the Q&A session to provide deeper insights. Today, we are diving into something really exciting. See how SuiteCommerce empowers your business to expand online with ease. Whether you are new to NetSuite or already using it, I hope you find insights that you can take back to your organization. Throughout the session, feel free to note down any questions or thoughts. We have set aside a time at the end of this session to dedicate Q&A. Okay, so moving on, let me introduce our organization to everyone who has joined today. We are a certified Oracle NetSuite solution provider with a proven track record of 13 years. With deep expertise in ERP, we have successfully delivered 500 plus projects across 400 plus clients globally, backed by a highly skilled team of 220 plus NetSuite professionals. We are also certified partners with Siligo and proud holders of the NetSuite Expertise Badge. What sets us apart is our end-to-end approach in NetSuite for implementation, customization, optimization, and integrations. At Jubin and Jismi, our mission is to empower organizations to run smarter, faster, and scalable solutions with modern and cutting edge technology. Our clients trust us to simplify their business process and deliver tailored solutions that align with your growth strategy. Today, we are very excited to share how NetSuite SuiteCommerce can further elevate your e-commerce experience and how we can help you adopt them smoothly, effectively, and strategically. Before we are going into the detailed slides, here is a quick look what we'll be covering today. We'll start with a snapshot of the e-commerce landscape today, what's driving change, and why digital first strategies matter more than ever. Then I'll introduce you to SuiteCommerce NetSuite Unified E-commerce solution that's built to scale with your business. Next, we'll walk through the key features that make SuiteCommerce stand out, from frictionless ordering to intelligent recommendations and distributor self-service. After that, we will explore the real results and returns for your business using SuiteCommerce. And finally, we'll wrap up today's session with a Q&A where we'll be happy to answer your questions. Let's get started. Let's start by looking at the current landscape of today's e-commerce platforms. Today's is a hyper-connected world, and e-commerce has become the heartbeat of modern business. With consumers increasingly turning to online platforms for everything from daily necessities to high-end purchases, businesses must evolve or risk falling behind. The digital marketplace is advancing at a lightning speed and bringing both exciting opportunities and complex challenges for online business. So, most of you might have had those challenges in your businesses as well as in implementing e commerce as well. So, going in as a competition heats up, companies are under pressure to innovate, deliver standout customer experiences, and achieve sustainable growth. In this fast paced environment, the right technology stack isn't just helpful, it's essential. So, when we talk about the global e-commerce sales, they are surging across different industries, and the shift to e-commerce is undeniable. Customers are expecting fast, personalized, and mobile-first experiences. When we talk about the social commerce, there is a good approach for AI-driven recommendations, which are not just trends. They're shaping how people discover, and buy these products. But as you can see, when there is opportunity that's coming in, there is also complexity. Many businesses are facing these issues with fragmented systems. They are having a different ERP, different CRM, and different online storefronts that don't talk to each other. This might lead to inventory inconsistencies. There might be pricing errors and a lack of visibility with the customer data and order performance. When we say there is an added pressure of the rising customer acquisition cost as well, and there is an intense competition. And it's clear that the traditional commerce models are struggling to keep up. So that's when we bring in SuiteCommerce. And welcome to SuiteCommerce, where AI meets e-commerce. So what we get from SuiteCommerce with AI, from smarter recommendations, we get seamless operations built to personalize every click or every transactions. Let's start with what makes SuiteCommerce truly unique. SuiteCommerce, it's built on NetSuite and it's not integrated. Unlike traditional e-commerce platform that rely on third-party integrations, SuiteCommerce runs natively within NetSuite ERP. That means your inventory, your orders, your customer data, and your financials are all connected in a single system and in real time. You don't experience any kind of syncing delays or no data silos. This kind of unified architecture will give you a single source of truth across your business. You get faster deployments, lower IT overhead, and seamless collaboration between departments. So there you are into selling B2B customers or B2C customers or both. Suite Commerce ensures you the operational efficiency and give you accurate insights and customer experience at the highest, all in a single one powerful platform, which is NetSuite SuiteCommerce. So that's the first and highlight point that SuiteCommerce has to offer you. SuiteCommerce is also transforming how online business operate and scale by merging powerful e-commerce tools with enterprise resource planning, which is NetSuite, and SuiteCommerce offers a unified platform that empowers business to unlock their full digital potential. In this webinar today, we're going to explore how SuiteCommerce and NetSuite can elevate your e-commerce strategy. From standout features to proven best practices, you will discover today actionable insights to help your business stay competitive and thrive. Whether you're launching a first time online store or optimizing an established digital presence, that's going to help you out here. So, moving on to my next slide, you are looking at some of the key features that the Suite Commerce offer platform has to offer you as part of the modern e-commerce system and the ecosystem that we are currently having. This slide will give you a quick overview on the same. And in the next few minutes, we'll walk through each and every features in detail. So I hope you're getting all the key highlights from this slide. So diving into each and every features from now on. Business centric commerce layer. Now let's explore how Suite Commerce empowers your B2B distributors, tailored access and control. Distributors might log in and see only what's relevant to them. Their assigned SKUs or the pricing tiers and the order history is what they see. This personalized experience ensures them a sense of security, clarity, and efficiency. You can enforce like minimum order quantities for in case of bulk purchasing. Suite Commerce handles that with ease. For more complex deals and platform supports quote request. So they can request for quotes. Also, the buyers can negotiate pricing before placing an order, all within the same interface. Another key major point is that sales rep can even place the orders on behalf of your customers, which is perfect for in case of field teams or remote sales teams. So the customers also don't want to do it, but sales reps can do it. These features simplify traditionally complex B2B workflow and so also reduces the friction and improve the customer satisfaction. And because it's all built on NetSuite, You get a unified mobile responsive e-commerce environment that is fully integrated with your ERP. So SuiteCommerce doesn't just support B2B, it elevates it. So moving on to the next feature, SuiteCommerce takes B2B user management to the next level, giving the distributors full control over their teams. They can independently create and manage user accounts, assign role based access, and monitor all related orders without needing help from any internal support team. Whether it's a purchasing manager who needs to have a full access or field rep who only places orders, each user gets the right level of visibility and control. This kind of flexibility streamlines operations, enhances security, and reduces the administrative overheads. Distributors can decide who sees the pricing, who places the orders, and who reviews the account history. All that is happening in real time. It's a smarter way to manage complex B2B relations. And because it's built on NetSuite's unified platform, everything stays connected from user roles to order data. SuiteCommerce empowers your partners to move faster and make better decisions and serve these customers more efficiently. Now let's talk about streamlined billing. SuiteCommerce simplifies billing by giving customers ease to their account balances. Customers can see their account balances, their invoices, a complete transaction history, all from a secure self-service portal. This level of transparency reduces support requests, empowers users to manage their own financial transaction with confidence. And customers can quickly review their outstanding payments. They can download their invoices and they can make payments directly using integrated payment methods. Whether you are serving a B2B client or it's a retail shoppers, this streamlined billing experience builds a level of trust and reduces the friction and speeds up your cash flow. The kind of smarter and more efficient way to manage receivables, fully integrated with NetSuite financials for real-time accuracy and operational efficiency across your entire business. So that's about how NetSuite SuiteCommerce helps in streamline billing process. Moving for another exciting feature of SuiteCommerce NetSuite that it handles every multi-currency as well as multi-language. SuiteCommerce is built for your global growth, enabling business to expand confidently across borders. It's as it supports multi-currency, allowing your customers and shop and pay in their local currency with real-time exchange rates and localized tax rules. Additionally, Newcomers is offering the multi-language capabilities and support, delivering a personalized experience in customers' preferred language. So the customers in their particular country can view in their native languages. This ensures the storefront feels native to every market you serve. Whether you're entering into a new region or scaling existing ones, SuiteCommerce provides the tools to localize content, streamline international transactions, and maintain well secured compliance, all while staying connected into a NetSuite ERP. It's commerce designed to grow with you wherever your customers are. Now let's look at another exciting feature. SuiteCommerce brings you the ordering process that is bulk ordering, which is makes it fast, intuitive, and efficient, especially for the B2B buyers. With matrix item ordering, customers can select multiple variants of a product like size, colors, styles, and entire quantities for each and single step. No need to add items one by one. This streamlined experience is a game changer for distributors and wholesale buyers placing large multi-SKU orders. Clean, responsive grid interface is fully integrated with NetSuite's inventory and pricing, which ensures your real-time accuracy from going from your cart to the checkout. It's bulk ordering made smarter, which makes saving time, reducing clicks, and boosting your operational efficiency. That's another one of the exciting features. We have got lots more features coming in the coming slides. Another one is the improved order accuracy. SuiteCommerce significantly improves your order accuracy by allowing distributors place orders directly within a system that's fully synced with real-time pricing and inventory data. This eliminates the need for manual confirmations or back and forth clarifications with sales reps. Distributors see exactly what's available, their negotiated pricing, and can place orders with confidence. This results in a fewer errors, faster fulfillment process, and a smoother experience for both buyers as well as internal teams as well. Because everything is connected within NetSuite ERP, updates are very instant, ensuring that what's shown on the storefront always reflects the latest stock levels and pricing agreements. So you can manage your stock, and stocks of the items are always visible in your front end as well as on the back end as well. Now moving forward, yeah, the highlighted part, which is the payment options. Suite Commerce offers you different kinds of payment options. It has a flexible payment options tailored to both B2C customers and as well as B2B customers. B2C customers can pay using popular methods like credit card or PayPal, ensuring a smooth and familiar checkout experiences. We can also have integration with the other payment methods as well. For B2B buyers, SuiteCommerce supports payment terms directly through web store, allowing them to place orders on account while adhering to the NetSuite defined credit limits and payment terms. This integration enforces safer transactions and reduces financial risk. Whether it's instant payment or invoiced billing, SuiteCommerce adapts to your customers' needs while keeping your financials accurate. And it's really syncing with your NetSuite ERP. So going forward onto my next slide, another one of the highlighted and big features of SuiteCommerce is forecasting and demand planning. Let's talk about how this happens in SuiteCommerce, which actually supercharges your business. Every time a customer places an order through a web store, that data flows instantly to NetSuite ERP. No delays, no manual syncing. This means your operations, finance, and supply chain teams gets real-time visibility into what's selling, when it is being sold, and where it is being sold. With NetSuite's intelligent planning tools, AI powered, you can forecast demand more accurately, align procurement with actual buying behavior, and can avoid costly stockouts and excess inventory. It's not just e-commerce, it's a live feed of the customer intent that helps you plan smarter and move faster and stay ahead in this rising market shifts. So imagine being able to reorder your favorite products in seconds. That's exactly what e-commerce delivers. With features like access to past products, frequently purchased SKUs, and a convenient reorder button, customers can skip the hassle of rebuilding their cart. It's all about speed and simplicity. This is especially powerful for B2B customers, B2B buyers who place repeated orders regularly. By reducing clicks and streamlining the process, you not only save your customers time but also build loyalty through a seamless experience. Suite Commerce turns reordering into a one-click conveyance. That's a win for everyone. Yeah. So much of the features are being explained, and we got a couple of more features also in the coming slides. Let's move further. Yeah. So SuiteCommerce give the distributors the power to manage their businesses independently, and that's another win for everyone. Users can view their invoices, track shipping updates, and access complete order history without needing to contact your support team. This actually reduces the operational overhead and empowers distributors to make faster decisions and helps you manage payments also. And this brings us with a lot of control and convenience. By giving your partners they need, you build kind of a stronger relationship and free up your internal teams to focus on growth and not into routine inquiries. So that's the another powerful feature. And going ahead, we have the reporting and the analytic capabilities. So here I have to focus that this is the most of the exciting part and the most useful for business where reporting is the key structure. In Suite Commerce, there is a wide variety of reporting. And when we say visibility is everything, and Suite Commerce delivers powerful reporting and analytics. You can connect your site to Google Universal Analytics, and you can monitor real-time traffic, and you can generate your lead, and can you reduce your page loads and web orders. But it doesn't stop there. Suite Commerce also offers you various kinds of e-commerce dashboards, predefined reports, and key performance indicators that'll help you track what's working and where to improve. Whether it's optimizing your product pages or identifying top selling SKUs, these insights help drive smarter decisions and stronger sales. And it's not just data that we're talking about, it's actionable intelligence built right into your e commerce platform. Yeah, here is where it's gonna get more exciting. Yes, intelligent item recommendations. Suite Commerce doesn't just sell, it recommends smartly. When NetSuite's intelligent item recommendation, AI analyzes customer purchase history and behavior, suggest products they are most likely to buy, and think of upsells, cross sells, personalized bundles, all designed to boost average order value and repeat purchases. It supports strategies to customers based on recently added items and similar product suggestions. This kind of personalization doesn't just increase your sales, it enhances the entire shopping experience. Customers feel understood, engaged, and they are more likely to get converted. That's the power of intelligence commerce built right into Suite Commerce, which is truly a power, which I have to say. Now we got, I think it's two more slides to cover on the feature part. Going ahead. Okay, let's look at kind of a personalization even further here with customer specific pricing and promotions. Suite Commerce allows you to configure segment based discounts tailored to your audience. Whether it's kind of an exclusive pricing for large partners or that's our seasonal promotions, for different kind of customers, or there is targeted offers for your specific regions in your country or your state. Everything is customizable. These rules are driven by NetSuite customer segmentation and pricing engine, so your promotions stay accurate, automated, and relevant. It's a powerful way to reward loyalty, drive conversions, and make every customer feel like a priority, all while keeping your pricing strategy smart and scalable. So that comes to the end of the all the major features from Suite Commerce. We got a lot more features in the bucket. So now I'm going to take you to how Suite Commerce gives you real results and real returns. So this is our final slide to our presentation before the QA session. And here is the key takeaway. What SuiteCommerce delivers is real results and real returns, not just in theory, but in practice. It makes your brand instantly accessible to today's digital consumers, whether they are browsing on any kind of devices, be it mobile, desktop, tablet, or entering in from emerging markets. You can build direct to customer channels very quickly and with minimal training to the users and start selling faster than ever. SuiteCommerce also supports your marketing efforts with high impact user experiences that engage and convert. Behind the scene, it streamlines operations, reduces your IT overhead, and accelerates time to market, giving your teams the tools to manage e commerce with confidence. And that's the return on investment. It's clear that it gives you faster launches, lower support cost, increased customer satisfaction, and scalable growth. SuiteCommerce isn't just an e-commerce solution, it's a business accelerator. It helps you sell smarter, operate leaner, and grow stronger. That's the kind of transformation today's market is demanding, and SuiteCommerce delivers it. So that brings me to my session, and next we'll be having the QA session. And thank you all for listening to me on my webinar. And thanks for joining today. And I hope you have explored the power of SuiteCommerce, its major features, and how it helps your business. We hope that the session gave you valuable insight and how it can transform your e-commerce strategy. And I think now we can have the open floor for questions. I hope you might have jot down questions or questions file through the session. You can raise your hand or you can put your questions in the chat. So our expert team will be answering your questions. We have our expert team,
Hi.
Anju and Danik, here to answer your questions. So feel free to ask your questions on SuiteCommerce. I hope you have intake the points that we covered. Feel free to ask your questions.
Thank you so much for asking the question. We have a question there. Can Sudcommerce handle high traffic during seasonal sale or promotion? Yes, Sudcommerce is designed to handle high traffic during seasonal sales and promotion. Its cloud-based architecture built CDN support and scalable infrastructure make it well suited for peak demand period. We have an option there inbuilt in the NetSuite. So we have a website setup. So we can just enable the CDN option to handle this high traffic during the seasonal sales. So the next question, can we manage multiple brand or region from one SuiteCommerce instance? Yes, we can handle that. Um, for SuiteCommerce Advanced, it will support multiple subsidiary. So we can enable what are all the subsidiary need to use this SuiteCommerce website. So just based on the click, we can use this. Okay, coming to the next question. Okay, how long it will take to implement e-commerce and replace the website that is already there. So for implementing a basic SuiteCommerce website, it will take 8 weeks. It's a maximum. And it will vary based on the customization that is used for the current website. I think it is clear.
Also have another question. How do we handle product update and content changes without developer help? So SuiteCommerce have also support SMT. It has managed CMS contents, like we can schedule and we can create a banners without help of developers, and we can schedule promotions and everything. We can manage it using SMT tool. So without developer, we can manage it contents in SuiteCommerce website. Next question is, can SuiteCommerce handle multiple languages for same company website based on each user's language preference? Yeah, SuiteCommerce in website setup can manage multiple languages, multiple subsidiaries that mentioned already, Anju. So it can be support multiple languages. We can set default language into a website, and it can be managed multiple website also from single website setup. Okay, I think it's clear.
So there is another question is the how do we handle the product update and content changes without developer help? So it is same as we said, we can use the SMT site management tool. So using that tool, we can update the content.
Are there any more questions from the audience side?
I think there is another question. How long it typically SuiteCommerce implementation will take? I think it's not covered. It will be, is it covered? Okay. Any other questions?
Feel free to ask your questions. We are ready to answer or clarify. So we serve SuiteCommerce implementations on a global level. So as you have gone through the slides today, do you have any questions on that? Please ask.
There is another
Is
question.
there a,
Is it possible? Yes, Anju,
yes,
please.
please go ahead. Okay, let me go ahead. Um, so is it possible to integrate SuiteCommerce with an external ERP system instead of NetSuite? SuiteCommerce is natively integrated with the NetSuite ERP for external system. Yes, we can use Reslet SuiteTalk, that is a SOAP, or third-party connector to integrate with the CRM, shipping platform, and marketing tools.
That's a great question.
Okay, there is another question. What kind of support provider after the launch? Yes, there is customer services also. There is a Suite Answers available for NetSuite for supporting SuiteCommerce. So there will be continuous communication we can use using customer services.
Any further queries on SuiteCommerce? Any further questions? You can drop your questions in the chat. Joe and Anik, do we have any further questions?
Mr.
Yeah, let's wait.
Yes, we have another question. How does SuiteCommerce handle complex product type like matrix item? It supports a matrix item since we have the matrix item in NetSuite. So NetSuite item record making catalog management flexible and scalable. So as I said in the session, all the things are integrated with the NetSuite. So the item will be visible to the website. Like for matrix item, we can see it like options. So we can choose the option and we can add the item to the cart.
Yeah, we have got a couple of time. So please share your questions. Little more time to cover. We are expecting many more questions.
There is another question. What kind of analytics and reporting capabilities are available of business decision making? Um, so in SuiteCommerce, we can integrate Google Analytics and another integrations. There are some another integrations are available. We can integrate Google Tag Manager. So what are all the reports that is available in the NetSuite that we can easily show it in the front end of SuiteCommerce? So it required some backend scripting, but there is no integration is required. So as I said in the session, there is a demand planning. So if the NetSuite is using demand planning, we can get the data by creating the supply plan, and we can use a script and make them show in the front end. And we have another question is, how do we optimize product discovery and search experience for users? There is inbuilt features that is available in the SuiteCommerce. SuiteCommerce support facet navigation, like a key search, category filter, and you can also enhance search with the third-party tools, Elasticsearch. So when there is any field, and we can search based on that. So we can decide which field is refer for the search, and we can just set up which field is refer in the website setup. So we can easily set up those whole things in the NetSuite itself without any additional customization. There is another comment is missed. Is it possible to specify language at a user level? SuiteCommerce allow a user to select the preferred language at a website level, but it does not automatically assign a language based on individual user record by default. So I think it's clear.
So we are nearing the end of today's session. So any more questions? So I hope that's all the questions we are having for now. Do we have any further ones? So I hope that was the final questions we were having for today.
There is one more question is that
Yeah,
for an
yeah, yeah.
organization with both B2B and B2C business, whether a single platform can be used. Yes, of course. We have an option customer segment. So using that option, we can um, we can use a single platform for B2B and B2C. Like which is the customer segment is like um, we can group the customers. Those who are in B2B, we can group it as a one segment, and for B2C customer we can group it like another customer segment. So this can be selected in the customer record. So based on that segment we can split it, or we can give the access, and we can differentiate um, the features that is required to available for the B2B and B2C. Hope it is clear. If there is any clarification required, please.
I hope we have covered most of the scenarios from NetSuite, and I think there is no other further questions. So thank you once again for joining today's webinar. We hope the session gave you a clear understanding on SuiteCommerce. We had so many questions in order. I know that there are further questions for you and how SuiteCommerce works and how is the implementation. And SuiteCommerce give you the unified e-commerce and back office operations and gives you the delivery of seamless and personalized shopping experiences and empower your brand to thrive in a digital first world. So, if you would like to further explore, our team at Jubna and Jismi is always here to support you. We can have meetings, deep dives, and give you sandbox demos, as well as we'll give you the implementation guidance as well. So, to contact us, we have a website here and contact information. We are happy to support and connect with you anytime. So, wishing you a great day ahead and thank you once again.